A car travels 96 kilometers in 1 hour. Convert 96 kilometers to meters. And so here the question is asking us to take 96 kilometers and to convert it to meters. But how are we going to do this? Well, we are going to multiply. We're going to take 96 and multiply it by 1,000. And so that means that when we take 96 and multiply it by 1,000, that gives us 96,000. And so that means that 96 kilometers is actually 96,000 meters. And so we did it. We took 96 kilometers and converted into meters. And what is 96 kilometers converted into meters? That's 96,000 meters. So how is this relevant, or why is this relevant? Well, a car traveled 96 kilometers in 1 hour. So what we can actually say is we can say that a car travels 96,000 meters in 1 hour. So keep that in mind, that this car that travels 96 kilometers in 1 hour travels 96,000 meters in 1 hour, because 96 kilometers is the same thing as 96,000 meters. Now, the next question says convert 1 hour to minutes. Now, what is 1 hour in terms of minutes? Well, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 1 times 60 is 60. And so the answer here is going to be 60 because it's only 1 hour, and 1 hour is actually 60 minutes. But if we add like 2 hours, right? If we add 2 hours and we're just gonna say 2 times 60, and 2 times 60, well, 2 times 60 would be 120. And so 2 hours would be 120 minutes, and 3 hours would be 3 times 60, which is 180, and 4 hours would be 4 times 60, which is 240 minutes. But they only want us to convert 1 hour to minutes. So it's just going to be 1 times 60, and it's going to be 60 minutes. So the answer here is 60 minutes. So what is this? So what do we have here? Okay, we have that the car travels 96 kilometers in 1 hour. And so we can say that this car travels 96 kilometers in 60 minutes. But remember, 96 kilometers is the same thing as 96,000 meters. And so basically we can say that this car travels 96,000 meters in 1 hour, or we can say that this car travels 96,000 meters in 60 minutes. So keep that in mind. This car travels 96,000 meters in 60 minutes. And that's important because of this question. The question says, calculate the number of meters the car travels in 1 minute. So how many meters will the car travel in 1 minute? What do we know? We know that this car travels 96,000 meters in 1 hour, or this car travels 96,000 meters in 60 minutes. So it travels 96,000 meters in 60 minutes. So if we want to figure out how much it travels in 1 minute, we have to take the 96,000 and divide it by 60. Because remember, the car travels 96,000 meters in 60 minutes. So if we want to if we want to figure out how many meters it travels in 1 minute, well, we just have to divide it by 60. And so that means that the car actually travels 1,600 meters in 1 minute. And that's the answer to this question. Hopefully you find this helpful. And that's the answer, 1,600 meters.